Hello, my name is Christy and I'm an early years practitioner at Wolvercote Primary School. In this video I will demonstrate how we promote and encourage a working environment that values and respects the individual developmental needs and stages of babies and children with SEND, while also valuing and respecting each child's voice. I will also demonstrate how specialist aids, resources and equipment are used within the setting to support babies and children with SEND and reflect on how these support inclusive practice. In this first section, we look at valuing individual developmental needs and stages. In our setting here, we recognise that all children develop at different rates and in different ways. Our practice is guided by observation and understanding of each child, rather than expecting all children to follow the same approach. For babies and children with SEND, this means providing support that is appropriate to their individual developmental stage, communication style and emotional needs. This ensures that children feel safe and supported and are able to engage in daily routines. In this section, we look at valuing and respecting the child's voice. Valuing a child's voice means ensuring that every child has a way to communicate, even if they are non-verbal. Children are supported to make choices throughout the day, using methods that suit their needs. This may include visual supports, like this one, objects of reference, gestures or specialist communication resources. For example, this communication board is used for children who have limited verbal communication. Each symbol here represents a choice for the child. When a child points to a symbol, staff respond promptly, showing that their child that they are with is valued and respected. In this section, we'll look at demonstration of some specialist aids, resources and equipment. So the equipment and resources that we use within our base, which have children with SEND in, one of these is our Now and Next board. So this is one that I use with a particular child. It supports a child within what we are doing now. So the Now symbol shows that this child is spending time on an activity with myself. And the Next is showing that we are going back to the Woodlands classroom. This helps children understand expectations. It reduces the anxiety, particularly for children who find the change difficult. When using this resource, we explain very clearly at the time to allow the child to process the information, and it is then kept to hand throughout so he can refer back to it. We also use objects of reference. These are used for children who understand objects more easily than words or pictures. For example, this picture here, along with this symbol, represents Incy Wincy Spider. This allows, when the child is presented with the object, allows the staff to respond to the child. So we use it kind of like, would you like Incy Wincy Spider or Grand Old Duke of York? This ensures that the child's voice is prioritised in a way that matches their developmental stage. We also use a range of different sensory equipment to support children with SEND. Those particularly with sensory processing needs, which we see a lot of. So this could be something like a fidget spinner, a popper. It could be a springer, or for children who are very tactile, a squidgy. Staff observe children using these items closely and to making sure that they are meeting their individual needs and they get adjusted as and when support is required. It's also really important to ensure that all staff understand how to use these different strategies and they're used consistently. We share information about individual children to ensure a consistent and respectful practice. By working together, staff create an inclusive environment where children with SEND feel safe, valued and supported. So, reflecting on this practice, adapting the environment and using specialist resources, this allows babies and children with SEND to access learning and routines in a way that suits their individual needs. By valuing each child's developmental stage and providing appropriate communication and sensory support, we promote confidence, well-being and inclusion. This ensures that every child's voice is heard and respected. So, thank you ever so much for watching this training video. I really hope that you've got something from it. It demonstrates how we promote an inclusive working environment that values and respects the individual developmental needs and the voices of the babies and the children with SEND. I hope you can go away and implement some of these into your setting. Thank you very much for watching.